Alright, what's up everybody? Today I'm doing episode 2 of my stock trading for beginners series. Today we're going to go over support and resistance. Last video we did go over candlesticks, so if you haven't watched that, make sure you go back and watch that. That's very important you understand that before moving forward with any other charting strategies. So today we're going over support and resistance. Support and resistance are basically just price levels where price can bounce or where price can reject. Way I like to remember it, when something's supporting you, something's holding you up. When something's supporting price, it's holding it up. When something is resisting you, it's holding you back or holding you down. So resistance is a price level where price is being resisted, rejected, or being held down. So the way we spot these support and resistance levels is we simply go and we find prices where we see some type of rejection or some type of bounce. So first, just looking at this, we can see 65 is a level where we've rejected a couple times. Right here, came up, we touched 65, came back down, touched 65, came back down, and again touched 65, came back down. So this is a pretty strong resistance level. And next thing is support levels. So if we look at this 53.5 level right here, we can see that this was used as support multiple times. Here we use it as support. We use it as support here before breaking under, and then we use it as support here, and then we also kind of use it as support right here. So support, again, price level where price is supported, resistance, price level where price is rejected. And another thing that is very important, supports turn to resistances. So if we look at this price right here, right, we had this big move down followed by some support at the 65 level. Then once we broke the 65 level, we came back up, we used it as resistance, and then ever since then we've been using it as resistance. So this support level turned into a resistance level. Also, if you look at this 53.5 level, you can see that we used it as support a couple times. 1, 2, we broke under, we retested it, used it as resistance, came back under, broke back above, used it as support multiple times, and we recently broke back under it, and we're coming back to this support level right here around 46. So we'll likely get a test of this 46 level sometime soon, and we'll either use it as support or we'll break through it and then use it as resistance. So really basic concept, but very important you get this down. This is the most basic concept when it comes to trading. You can simply trade support and resistance, but it usually works better in conjunction with other technical analysis. You can literally trade support and resistance and be successful with that, but I found it usually works better in conjunction with other technical analysis. But really the most important thing when it comes to using support and resistance is watching how price reacts to these levels, right? Because these levels can be broken or they can be used as support, resistance, whatever, but it is important that you watch how price reacts at these levels, because just because you have a support does not mean price is going to bounce. Just because you have a resistance does not mean price is going to reject. Very important to watch how price reacts to these levels and then make your decision based off those reactions. So hopefully you guys learned something today. I'm going to be breaking down other technical analysis in my future videos, how to expand on this support and resistance strategy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, you learned something, and I'll see you on the next one.